Damn, man, I was recording this video earlier already, and this is going to be the second time I'm going to do it, so hopefully this will be a little bit shorter, just because I actually screwed it up, and I was recording the sound for my microphone and through the camera, so it's double freaking audio, and it just sounds awful, so I don't want to put you guys through that. I was watching a video on free editing software, because I don't have the money right now for Adobe Premiere and stuff. I'm going to be getting that here, hopefully soon. We'll see. But so basically today, if we take a look over at TradeVate's account, I was down close to $1,600 this morning if you were watching the live stream, and that was with one win and about 5 losses on the day. And it's because I went against all my rules right away. I completely disobeyed exactly what I said right at the very beginning of the stream. I said max loss was going to be $150, and I completely went in way too heavy with the position with absolute no conviction on my market direction, and I wasn't very confident. And once I started going down in loss, I kept letting it ride and ride and ride, and I was down about $980 when I finally closed the position. And then I was revenge trading for the next little while, and I only won one trade that was like $62 in profit. So at one point I was down nearly $1,700, nearly blew my account for trade day on the evaluation on my very first day. But as you take a look here now, we made some pretty good trades here later on, just barely in the last 30 minutes, and we're down only $950 on the day. So this is just all part of the course, guys, and it just goes to show that patience really is key when it comes to trading, and you cannot be forcing your trades. You absolutely cannot. When there's not a trade there, don't take it. It's just that simple. And then when you do take a trade, follow your fucking rules. You know what I'm saying? Like I was saying, I was going to lose 150 and I'd be out of that trade. And then max amount of trades I was going to make on the day were only 3. So even now I kind of technically broke my rules, but I did see an opportunity here at this point right here, and I just jumped at it immediately, and we got out right around here, honestly right at the bottom, and now we're pushing back up, and I'm not going to be entering any more trades for the day. It's 12:30 anyway. We only have an hour and 20 minutes left of the trading day for TradeView, because you have to have all your positions closed by 1:50 or 10 minutes before the market closing bell. So that's going to be like 3:50 Eastern Standard Time, 12:50 Pacific Time, Central Time, 2:50, you know, on and on and on. But basically we did do pretty good for the day considering where we were at, and I have a lot more confidence now moving into tomorrow and then also next week. We'll see if we're even going to take a trade tomorrow. I don't normally trade Fridays. I don't really like trading on Fridays or even Thursdays for that matter. I tend to do the best on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, and that's something you should also journal in your notes when you are on your own trading journey, is to really find those days that you do the most well, and then find the days you don't do well, and then try to avoid trading on the days you just don't do good, because it's going to the market tends to just repeat itself over and over again. It's not going to exactly do what it did that last Thursday or that last Wednesday, but it does kind of follow a similar pattern, and there's similar news events that come out every single day, or Wednesdays, and you know, Thursdays tend to be the CPI data inflation report coming out, and you know, it tends to be a very volatile day. So you can make a lot of money, but you also can lose a shit ton and blow up your account, which is kind of what happened to me here today. We almost lost our account on the evaluation, which would have been so sad and disappointing. We would have had to pay $100 for a reset, and you know, we absolutely crushed it in the last hour, bringing our account back to $49,000, making it possible again to pass this challenge. I was very discouraged and disappointed, and I was thinking I was going to have to reset this thing. But now it's looking like we might actually be able to turn this around and make the $2,500 in profit and get funded here with Trade A and start making payouts just like that. You know what I'm saying? It's all about the mindset, and it's all about your patience and your self-discipline. You have to follow what you say you're going to do, and you need to make sure you do it to a T and not deviate from your plan. Anyway, guys, if you want to get the market algo Cypher that I created based off of market Cypher and Lux algo combined into one, mixed with other indicators like the RSI, the SMA, the VWAP, the EMA ribbons, the moving average of 250 and 10, 9, 8, and all blah blah blah, you know, on and on and on. Anyway, check out my Patreon for that if you want to get a more in-depth detailing what this indicator is, or check out my welcome to my channel video describing this K Cypher indicator, K algo Cypher indicator. And yeah, you can get the free, or not free, you can get the lifetime access for just $750, or you can pay $100 monthly to access the Discord community, also get the indicator for yourself. But if you do purchase the lifetime access, you get the Discord. You can purchase the $25 Discord community and get all the same features as a $100 feature, and you'll also get the code for the indicator itself, so you can edit it however you want to, make it, you can tweak it, do whatever you want, and it's all yours, and you can do whatever you want from that point forward. And yeah, we just want to help as many traders as possible here, and this thing tends to be pretty damn good. If you take a look here, when this thing broke down, we had a pretty damn good move here on the 4 hour, about a 2% move or a 1.3% move, 56 points, which is just insane. If you had 2 contracts here, you would have made close to $1,000. This thing on the 4 hour is just damn near perfect, and then on the daily it is so accurate. It is amazing, guys, I'm telling you right now. And when it comes to like the 6 minute and the 12 minute, these are definitely some of my favorite zones to trade here. So even this candle right here, just an absolute baller of a trade if you would have taken that thing, crossed over. And also, if you do purchase the premium TradingView subscription plan, you can have access to the visible range volume profile, which is the volume on the side here that you're seeing, which kind of shows you the best points of resistance and support, and also just a very average true range value kind of point of value. And yeah, it looks like we actually are getting a bullish divergence here, which tends to be a very good signal for a bull run, or it's a mini bull run. And on the 12 minute here, it looks like we might get a push up, but today has just been a very red day overall. Like, it just started off freaking red as hell. In pre-market hours, we just got a huge move down. CPI data was not good today. Inflation reports came in higher than expected. But yeah, anyway, guys, if you enjoyed the video and you've watched it this far, I really hope you like the video, comment me your thoughts, click the links below to support this channel and grow with this community as well, and just subscribe for more, guys. I hope you enjoyed this so much, and I hope you have a blessed day. Take care of yourselves. Goodbye.